Hello YouTubers, Tenacious C, and look what we have here today. Freshly scored from the dump is a vintage 1984 Snapper push mower. It's just a single, your basic, has a throttle, fast go, has the hold down bar to engage. It looks like all this mechanism is working. So that's good. Well, I looked it over here. All the adjustments work on it. It's has a 3.5 horsepower Briggs motor, which is that's pretty old school. Back before the horsepower wars really started escalating, 4, 5, 6, 7 horsepower before everything converted to just cubic inch displacement. So it's a magnetotron Briggs and Stratton, and this is Snapper brand, owned by Fuqua Industries. Picked them up in 1967, I believe, and down in McDonough, Georgia, in Fort Worth, Texas. The Fort Worth, Texas plant was eventually closed, and in 2002. Snapper was acquired by Simplicity, and then Simplicity was acquired by Briggs and Stratton in 2004. But this is the real deal. And underneath here, the deck's even still has some paint on the blade, some goop under there. Like this metal kind of dust and blade catcher or grass catcher feature on the back. Another indication of the old school is that it's a side discharge. I don't know who uses side discharge anymore. Frankly, I rarely even use a bag. I just mulch it. But yeah, just blows it out the side here. And let's take a quick look at the air filter situation, and we'll give it a little prime. I think this is not bad. Put that right back in there. Doesn't really have a primer bulb or anything, so it does have a fuel shutoff, which is neat. Other interesting features is this ground wire that comes all the way across the bottom here. It's affixed by this little bolt to the side here. So I don't know. Let's just give it a little shot of this, because it's been in the dump. Don't know what its story is. Put this back in here. With one hand, of course, making it tricksy. Put that back together. All right, that's that. And this mechanism seems to be working okay. Nothing frozen or seized there. It's got some oil. Gas is fresh enough. Oh, look at that. Cheers. All right. So let's put this on, and we'll set this down here whilst I go about the hopefully not embarrassing part of starting this. Here we go. Vintage snapper, 1984. Cheers.